Smile, hello everyone. This video is dedicated to all my patients. This video I am making on the special request that how to do moksha bhishan. Moksha is a very important stimulation technique of Chinese traditional medicine as well as Sujok. In Sujok, to stimulate organ energies, we use moksha. Moksha is made up of particular herb, Artemisia vulgaris or mugwort. These are the Chinese medicine mokshas. Stick moksha, this is macro moksha, and these are mini moksha sticks. We need to light this stick and then we have to give that heat to the diseased organ or as directed by your therapist. So I tell you what happens. Our body is divided into two dimensions, physical and metaphysical. Physical body is made up of physical particles which we can see, touch, feel. But there is another dimension, that is metaphysical particle, which can't be touched or seen but can be felt. For example, we have brain, we can see our brain. We have thoughts but we can't see them, but we know because we feel the thoughts. Similarly, we have organ, we can see the organ, but we can't see the energy of that organ. So, energy dimension is stimulated by moksha stick. If you are feeling very low, then you can light the moksha, burn it. It is a flameless heat. And you take your moksha close to the desired part and keep it away 3 to 4 mm from the surface and give heat. When you are giving heat, you can directly give heat. When you feel warm, remove the moksha stick, again bring it together close to the area, again give heat. If you feel warm, remove it, or you can go clockwise slowly till you feel comfortably warm and remove. This is one cycle. Again bring it back, again clockwise, and when you feel comfortably warm, remove. Like that. If you are doing moksha for female patient, you have to give energy even numbers. For example, 2 times, 4 times, 6 times. And if you are giving energy to the male patient, you give it odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7. Friends, you have to understand, if we give excessive energy and give moksha for very long time, that will create the sedation effect. That means organ will become weak. So moksha should be given according to the direction. As per your therapist's direction, you follow and give energy to that particular area. Suppose you want to give moksha to eyes in conjunctivitis, but if you are giving for cataract, for example, conjunctivitis, we are not supposed to give energy because it is an inflammation. So for cataract, we can give moksha. And when you are giving moksha in cataract for the eye correspondence system, then you please take macro moksha. That is a smaller stick, and then follow the same procedure. Bring it to close to the eye correspondence point, 2 to 3 mm away from the skin. Keep it till you feel comfortable warmth and then remove. again go to another eye correspondence point, give energy, comfortable warmth, and remove. This is cycle 1. Like that you repeat as per your directive. If you are giving energy for spine, then you take a bigger stick and then go along the spinal cord. This is the cervical area. Give energy from top to bottom in this direction, this way. If you are giving energy to lower back area, then give energy this way. 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3, and as per directive, please follow the direction. Okay, if you are planning to give energy for knee component, if your knee pain, then you are giving energy to middle finger, middle joint, and you are giving energy like this, clockwise, till you are comfortably feeling warm. It should not be burning hot, warmth, and then remove. Again bring the stick closer, again clockwise circulation, again take it away. 2nd cycle. Repeat it as per the directive. If you want to give any specific area and you want to give more number of simultaneous stimulation, then this is macro mini moksha, and this is a sticker moksha. So you can remove the sticker like this and you can stick to, suppose, heart correspondence point. This is a heart correspondence point. Apply here, burn it, and let it burn till this is complete and you are feeling warm enough. And once it is done, you can remove the stick slowly. Be careful, don't burn your hand. So this is tricky moksha. You have to be careful with these moksha. And this is these mokshas are available with the therapist. So you can contact your area therapist, and or you can contact me also for moksha sticks and moksha techniques. We can guide you further and give you the protocol for your required disease, say heart or liver or kidney failure, anything we can deal with moksha. So smile healing friends, thank you.